Okay, we've got our tubing cut. We've added some, I'm just using regular baby powder. You might want to get unscented. So we put some in here, so we want to check it, make sure it's going to work all right. We put this back in here. Screw this cap back on. Now it should, when we force the air through, it should blow the powder out the top of the head with the hat that we got. So, and when I took my little funnel here that I got, I put 2 screws in it to hold it in place. And then the tube, just push that down. Also, I put a little eye hook in here to hold it out away from the side. Give it a little test squeeze here and see.